Hey, welcome back. Alright, for this stage, I want to show you how to change values without formulas. Now this sounds like it should be pretty easy to do, but it can be challenging without using the right tools. So in this case, we are going to use the paste special option. So let's dive in. Often, we want to increase or decrease the values of a list of numbers by adding or subtracting a fixed number. Other times, we want to multiply them by a percentage to calculate a discount or an increment. These tasks can be done without writing formulas. So, I already opened this workbook with some data inside. Let's say, for example, that we want to add number 10 to each number to this data list. Cell B2 will be 40, C2 will be 30, and so on. How do we do that? The first step is to go to an empty cell, for example, A10, and write 10, which is the number that you want to add, and enter. Now copy that cell, select the data that we want to change, which are the number from B2 cell to E6, and press Ctrl Alt V. This shortcut will open and paste a special dialog box. Of course, you could click this button to open the paste special feature. As you know, there are many ways to accomplish the same thing in Excel, but I like to shortcut keys, and there are faster ways to do tasks in Excel. Choose and add OK. Look at the numbers. Now they all increase by 10. Well done. Delete 10. We don't need it anymore. Let's do another example. Now we want to increase all the numbers by 20%. Go again to an empty cell, for example, and type this cell 1.2 and copy it. Select the data you want to change again, and from the paste button, select paste special. Double click on multiply. From the operations section, press OK, and the values were changed. This is an excellent way if you want to do some mathematical operations without using functions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.